Hi there, welcome to Alima to Sadia Vlogs. My name is Khalid and I'll be introducing you to this channel. This channel is dedicated to talking about the life experiences of Kadamas in Kuwait and other Gulf countries. If you are interested in knowing about the life experiences of people who travel, especially those who travel to Gulf countries to work as Kadamas, then you are at the right channel. Make sure to join this family by simply subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon.
Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. Welcome back once again, families. Let us enjoy this beautiful night view together whilst listening to the answer from this question. This question is from Mr. Mohammed. He said, kindly make how Kuwait tourist visa is processed. I am a Gambian. Okay, my dear. So, this is how to apply for a tourist visa in Kuwait here. First of all, go to Google and search Kuwait visa official website. Okay, when you go there, the type of visa that you need, whether this tourist visa or work visa or family visit visa, all the information will be there. So because you want tourist visa, you just click on the tourist visa. The information will come out, or the list will come out for you to fill in. Okay, so with that, you will see visa application form, you will fill in, and then your passport or your residence permits. Okay, and then actual photography, not older than 6 months. So it is advisable for you to take a new photography. You see, size is 3.5 centimeters or 4 centimeters. Okay, and then your travel medical insurance. Then you need flight ticket. You need bank statement for them to know that yes, you are financially stable to visit this country. And then you need to achieve or to get yourself accommodation here before. And yes, that is it. So for example, we Ghanaians and Nigerians, if you want to do it by yourself, that website, like, we are not eligible for it. Okay, but you coming from Gambia, you can try and see if you are eligible for that. Okay, or you can visit the Kuwait embassy in your country for visa form to fill and then do everything in the embassy. I think that will be the fastest way. Okay, so that is it. So travelers must obtain this visa from a local embassy, yes, or consulate or visa center before traveling, because this online thing, it will be very difficult for we the Africans, unless through an agent or through this embassy that I am talking about. And I don't know why, even if you try to fill the forms by yourself, you will see that it will say as a Ghanaian you are not eligible, and I don't know why. Another comment says, Assalamu alaikum, Sister Ahlima. Please, I want to come to Kuwait with a tourist visa. I am a truck driver. Can I find job with the tourist visa? The shortest answer is no. You see, this tourist visa, is issued to individuals who wish to visit the state of Kuwait for the purpose of tourism and entertainment purpose. Yes, the tourist visa allows its holder to visit tourist attractions and explore the country for a specific period, and that is only 3 good months for this tourist visa. Yes, that is what I want all of us to be clear here, because I've been seeing a lot of comments like this. I want to come to Kuwait with tourist visa, then look for job. It doesn't work in that way in Kuwait here, please. So I said we have different types of visas in Kuwait here, which some visas you cannot use it to get job or to secure job in Kuwait here. The best visa coming to Kuwait here is work visa. That is the best one, so that when you come, your job is there for you to do. You see the thing? By this tourist visa, you are just coming to explore the country. And we the Ghanaians, we are not eligible for applying online e-visa. However, you can apply through Kuwait embassy in your country. As I said it earlier on, yes, that will be the fastest way. So lovely people, if you plan to visit the Gulf state of Kuwait as a tourist, you can apply for a tourist visa on a single entry. The tourist is allowed to stay for 90 days in Kuwait here. So let us all be clear here. You cannot stay more than that 90 days. And that one safe, you need to follow the right process. There are some documents that they will request to know that you are financially stable to that 90 days in Kuwait here. And in Kuwait here, transferring a visit visa to a working visa is generally not permitted. Typically, you must leave the country and apply for a work visa from your home country or another country. However, there are some exceptions, okay, and specific cases where this might be possible depending on your situation and the regulations in place at the time. Okay, lovely people, so if you are in Kuwait on a visit visa and wish to work, you should find a job, secure a job offer from a company in Kuwait here, and then employer sponsorship. Your employer will need to sponsor your work visa application. So, families, I think most of us don't understand. Kuwait, they have make it in like such in a way that you need to be under sponsorship. And most of you don't understand, if it is sponsorship, why are the agents collecting money? Yes, that is how the law is in Kuwait here. The visa that the agents are collecting or issue for you people or helping to you guys or us to get, you have to pay. It's not free. It's not free. When you come here, you go for medicals, they'll do your driving license. And trust me, to acquire Kuwait driving license is not that easy. So they have sponsored you now. Because once you reach here, they'll do your medicals, your driving license, and whatever needed. Your ikama, they will do it for you. And that one, you are not paying anything. So they have sponsored you. You see the thing? But most of us, when we say sponsor, we thought everything is free. No, it's not like that. Okay, it's not like that at all. So let me say you came here with a tourist visa and maybe you are attracted to the country and you want to live here and work. You have to exit the country and reapply. In most cases, you will need to exit Kuwait and apply for a work visa from outside the country. Outside Kuwait here, okay, it is advisable to consult with the Ministry of Interior or a legal expert in Kuwait for the most accurate and current information regarding visa regulations and potential options available for you. That is what I will advise all of us here, okay? So, you cannot come here with tourist visa then start to be looking job by yourself. Which company will accept you? Because coming here with a work visa, some things are there that you need to submit in Kuwait here. It's not like coming here with a tourist visa. You see, the rules is not the same. There is difference. And coming here with a tourist visa is very cheap compared to work visa. You see, work permit is very, very expensive. So don't let anyone lie to you that because tourist visa is cheap, apply that, come here, look for job. We are here, we know what is going on. Come here if you want to work. Come here with work visa. That is the best way, okay? So I hope we all have learned something here. Okay, so don't come here with tourist visa saying you want to look for job. No, it doesn't work in that way. Nobody will even sponsor you in that way, because coming here to work, you will do a police report, attestation, like you need to get offer letter from the company. So it's a whole lot. So even if you come here and you have gotten the job by yourself, you need to go back to your country for the company to send you all the information needed before you will sign for you to come back again for the job. You cannot just remain in Kuwait here, you see. So that is it. So we have different types of visas in Kuwait. You can search it on Google and you will see how it is. All right, so if I've watched to this point, I really appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And you can also support our channel by sharing, liking, commenting. All is part of the support. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.